guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rhea and in today's video we will be talking about a very famous skincare ingredient which is mostly misunderstood. There are a lot of questions about this ingredient. Lot of you want to know how to use it, when to use it, with what to use it, and there is a lot of doubt going on. So I thought why not sit down and make a video on that. So if you're watching me for the first time, go subscribe to my channel. And now without any further ado, let's get started. So the ingredient I'm talking to you about is vitamin C. Everybody has so many questions in my comment section that how to use vitamin C. Is it okay to use this much percentage of vitamin C as a beginner, or when to use it, morning or night, with what to use it, is it okay to use a moisturizer or not? So many questions. So I thought in this video I'll break down everything for you in detail so you will not have any doubt about the product anymore. Now the first thing is, why is vitamin C so important for your skin? Well, vitamin C is a very powerful antioxidant that helps to brighten your skin, reduce any dark spots or pigmentation, and also it adds up a natural glow to your skin. Also, it protects you from any environmental damages and the sun's UV rays. It also helps to boost the collagen level of your skin, which makes your skin look youthful and firm. So in short, you might know now that this ingredient is a must-have for everyone's skincare routine. And the very important question is how to choose the right vitamin C product. Now the first thing is the formulation. Now vitamin C comes in various forms. Now one of them is L-ascorbic acid. Now this one is very much and highly potent. There are also other derivatives like sodium ascorbyl phosphate, which is more stable and gentle on the skin. So if you are a beginner or new to vitamin C, you must always go to try derivative of vitamin C so you know how it suits your skin. Next is concentration. So now you have to look for products of vitamin C which has concentration between 10% to 20%. Lower concentrations are always best for beginners, are more potent, so it is great for people who have already used the lesser percentage of vitamin C. Also, higher percentage will give you better results compared to the lower percentage of concentration. Third is pack. Now vitamin C is a very sensitive ingredient, so always see to it that you buy a product which is opaque, dark colored packaging and is airtight. What this does is it lets the product stay effective for the long time. Last is pH level. So now the pH level of your vitamin C product should ideally be below 3.5 for L-ascorbic formulations, as this helps the product to go deeper into your skin. So basically it penetrates more deeper into your skin. Now coming to the third question, and how to apply vitamin C, which is the most asked question in my comment section. Now, is there any correct way to apply vitamin C? I wouldn't say yes, but preferably it is best to use your vitamin C in the morning routine. Vitamin C works best when it's applied in the morning or daytime because it helps your skin to be protected from any environmental stressors, but that doesn't mean you cannot use it in the night. You can also use it in the night, but it's always ideal to use it in the morning. Now coming to how to use the product. First thing is, always remember, before you use vitamin C, your skin should be really clean. So cleanse your skin with a good cleanser. A gentle cleanser as well is okay, but see to it that your face is really clean. The slate should be really clean before you use your vitamin C. Second step is optional. What is it? It is to tone. Now toning will basically help to balance the pH of your skin, but it's an optional step. You can even skip it, but using an alcohol-free toner is the best, I would suggest. So now you have to just take few drops of vitamin C on your fingers and then spread it all over your face. After you're done spreading all over your face, you just have to dab it into the skin in this motion. You basically have to dab it. Just dab the product into your skin and the product gets absorbed the best way possible. Never do this with your vitamin C or never do this with your vitamin C. That is not how you apply your vitamin C serum. What you have to do is take the product on your fingertips, few drops of the product on your fingertips, and then dab it into your skin. Or just spread it all over like this and then dab it all over your face. Now the next step is very important. Wait for a minute or two before you head to your moisturizer or sunscreen. People always rush the steps of your skincare, but with vitamin C, if you don't wait for 1 to 2 minutes for the serum to just get absorbed into your skin, it doesn't make sense and it's not the right way to do it. So always after you apply your vitamin C serum, wait for 1 to 2 minutes, let the product get absorbed into the skin, and then go ahead with your next step. That could be moisturizer. So if you don't want to use a moisturizer and if you want to directly use a sunscreen, if you use a glowy based sunscreen, then you may do that, because sunscreen is really important. But otherwise, using a moisturizer after vitamin C is good, because then you can provide more hydration to your skin and lock in all the serum's moisturization and hydration. So I like to use a moisturizer right after vitamin C, and even you doing it can be beneficial, because again it will lock all the hydration into your skin. And the next and the very last step is very important, that is to use a sunscreen. A sunscreen is really must after using vitamin C. Because I've mentioned that using vitamin C in the morning or daytime is ideal, make sure that you use a sunscreen without fail after you use vitamin C, because if you don't, you might have sunburns, you can have infection, you can have breakouts, you can have irritation or redness, and I am not supposed to be blamed for that. So make sure that without fail you're using a sunscreen over vitamin C serum. Also make sure that in India, because of the temperature, you always have to use an SPF 50 or anything above 40. SPF 40 or anything above SPF 40 is ideal to be used as a sunscreen. If you're using anything below 40 SPF, then that sunscreen is going to be really waste. Also 3 fingers formula is the best. Take 3 finger product on your fingers and then apply the sunscreen. That is how much sunscreen your face needs right after you use vitamin C. Now coming to the fourth pointer, that is common mistakes to avoid when you're using vitamin C. First is using uncompatible products. Now what are these? These are retinol, salicylic acid and benzoyl peroxide. These products shouldn't be used with vitamin C, as they can give you irritation, redness, and actually make vitamin C less effective. Second is overuse. More is always not the best thing to do. So always make sure that you're using vitamin C only once a day and not twice a day or thrice a day, because that will not give you any better results but only damage your skin. So rather stick to using vitamin C only once a day. Third is avoiding a patch test. Now patch test is really very important when you're using potent serums like vitamin C, retinol, salicylic acid, any of these, but particularly talking about vitamin C, because this product can give you a little slight tingling sensation or redness or irritation, and some skins can actually not take vitamin C positively. So it's always recommended to do a patch test, so never skip one. Fourth is improper storage. Now as I said in the beginning of the video that vitamin C is a very sensitive ingredient and it can get spoiled very easily. That is, it can just be useless if the color changes to yellow or orange. So always keep an eye on the color of your vitamin C serum, because vitamin C serums get oxidized if they come in contact with air. So I always keep my vitamin C serums in the refrigerator, because that is the ideal way to store vitamin C. So make sure that you're storing your vitamin C in a dry, dark place or in your refrigerator to avoid oxidation. And if your product is by chance oxidized, has turned yellow or orange-ish kind of a shade, just dispose it, never use that product, because you might get irritation, breakouts, and you might mess your skin's barrier. Fifth is what to expect from this serum and what is the timeline to expect the results of vitamin C. So the first use or the initial use as a beginner, you might feel there is a lot of tingling sensation. Not lot of tingling sensation, but slight tingling sensation is really normal. Tingling sensation later turns into burning. Stop using this product, because this product is not working for you, and go for a lower concentration. Maybe that might work. In 1 to 2 weeks of usage, you might see slight brightness on your skin. Overall, your skin texture will be improved. From week 4 to 6, you will notice that your skin has become even and the dark spots and pigmentation has slightly reduced, and you will also see that there is a subtle glow on your skin. Week 8 to beyond, you will notice that your complexion has improved. Your skin looks more glowy, plump and brighter. So that is how you can expect the results of using vitamin C regularly. So that's it about vitamin C. I have tried to cover all the possible doubts that you have. If you have even more doubts about this product, you may ask in the comment section and I'll make a part 2 of this video. But I've tried to cover up most of the pointers that you have as a doubt in my comments always. So if you watch this video thoroughly, you will know it, and after watching my video, try to use vitamin C correctly. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go subscribe right now. Like this video, share it with your friends and family to educate them about skincare, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.